So one day this tree is coming down on the person that walks underneath it. This crack in that tree there gets bigger and bigger every day. I'm watching it for weeks now, and I'm 100% sure this winter it's going down. So this video is for Ohio Fred in Ohio, and he was asking what is the difference now between 8-bit and 10-bit, and he doesn't really see how this goes. He doesn't see a difference on his computer. Now the thing is this: your computer has to be able to display 10-bit, right? So if your computer can do only 6-bit on the screen, your monitor, then that is just what it is, you know, then you can't see it. So you have to have something what is capable of 10 or more bit color. Well, let's hope your monitor can do it. So your phone probably can do it. If you have like an iPhone or Google phone or whatever, those phones are with HDR screens or whatever, they do have the capability to show the difference. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do what you asked for, Fat. So you asked for doing like 5 seconds or 10 seconds in 8-bit, and then switch to 10-bit, do the same thing again, side by side. So I do hope that the dog is working with me here, and then I'm going to take a video of the dog, 10 seconds with 1 bit rate and 10 with the other. I don't know if you can do this while you are filming. I think not. You have to stop the recording and start it again. So I'm going to do 2 short clips now. So I do hope we see a difference in this short video I just did. It would be bad if we don't, because I went out here to the park extra for Ohio Fred to do this test. It is bitter cold, windy, it rained, all kinds of things happened here. This morning, as I took the puppy out at 3 AM, we had 50 degrees. Now we have 30. So yep, as the fish always says, it is what it is. Let me take a quick look here at the ducks for you guys. I don't know what the dog is gonna do here. Hey, no! Lucy! Come back. Come over here. What are you in the winter in the water? Lucy! No! Lucy! Get over here. Come. Come. Come back here. Go on land. God, no! Go on land. It's winter. Are you kidding me? That's when you figure out, no, come here, come. That's not when you figure out you should take a bath. Not in the middle of the winter. Stop it. No. Rhino. Isn't that a German Shepherd puppy again? Look at that.
Hello.
Lucy, you know the guy already.
Yes, how are you? What's her name?
As long as I have battery.
Today, since it's much better today.
Isn't that funny when you turn the camera on, they stop?
Yeah, they were just playing.
Go play again.
I think they know.